Birds are very important to the ecosystems, both in the wild, around humans, or those managed by the humans. Welcome to my channel, Leah Michael. Basically, birds are very important to our ecosystem, and here I'm highlighting three main importance of birds in the ecosystems. Number one, birds are natural pest control. For instance, insects within gardens, forests, farmland, and even towns and cities. Insects in the farms like caterpillars, armyworms, and many more. They feed on them and they help minimize the numbers of these insects, especially in the farms where they can do more harm. Number two, birds helps in dispersing seeds. Seeds and nuts are the primary source of food for many birds, seeds that grow from plants and trees. The bird deposits the seed through their droppings, which also provide the seed with vital nutrients to help them grow. Last but not least, birds are important pollinators. The birds are attracted to flowers in order to get the sweet nectar, and this is when pollen attaches to their body. They then spread the pollen to other flowers they visit, allowing plants to reproduce. Thank you for watching, and if at all you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, and leave a comment below. And thank you for all those that have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much.